beneath the hills and the rivers that never cease. The tale of a place where I first drew breath, and where echoes of memories linger till death. Oh, Penampang, you're forever in my heart, the place where I was born, where I'll never part. My roots run deep in this friendly Penampang land, where love and community never let me down. In the shadow of his churches, strong and tall, I found solace in faith through good times and all. The history of kind hearts that I hold dear, to laughter and tears, love always sincere. Brave and hardworking, we stand beside that colors the sky. I know in Penampang I'll never say goodbye. So here in Penampang, my story unfolds in the tapestry of life, where my heart holds